Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us your time, and I would like to welcome you on our platform.
Thank you, Fergus, for this opportunity.
Ma'am, I want to ask how important are arts and drama education in secondary school?
When we talk about art, we are not only talking about art as a subject, we talk about arts integration. There are various forms of arts. It's a dance, drama, theater, skit, role play, project-based activities, problem-solving activities, and mime, recitation, debates, declamation. So various activities, when they are incorporated in teaching and learning for students, it gives wonderful results. Teaching and learning becomes enjoyable. Students enjoy what they learn. And even complex subjects like maths, English, and sciences, or you talk about any subject, it can be taught in a very fun-filled manner. Also, with arts integration, students learn to value and respect the culture and languages. They become sensitive about environmental and societal issues as well.
How much early years education should be provided for free?
Education is the most important domain in a country's growth. Free education is provided to lowest income parents because they are unable to bear the expenses of their ward's education. Government of India has also made this provision in 2009 when RTE came into implementation. So in which from 6 years of age to 14 years, children are provided free education. And it's a welcome move. It's really good for such kind of strata in society because each child has a right to universal access of education.
Ma'am, what are your views on flipped classroom?
Flipped classroom is a pedagogical approach. So from traditional lecture mode in a class, we moved to individual learning spaces, wherein we provide pre-recorded videos, assignments, and worksheets to our children so that they can learn at their own pace. So they have time for research to apply extra information. And the next day, when they come prepared with the concept, they come with doubts and points for clarification. So the teacher on one-on-one basis or in group provides them the clarification. So it's a very useful approach wherein children really learn and they have ample time for collaboration, for experiments, for practical learning. So it's a useful pedagogy, whether we flip a class or we flip a teacher.
Ma'am, I would like to thank you so much for taking your time and giving us this interview.
Thank you.